Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and as you can see in the title, and here we go with this number, 8,500 and now 10. So I was trying to get going on today's video, and I was sitting here and I was like, no, I don't want to slow everybody down with this. But then I started thinking about it, and I actually heard my one of my kids in the back of my head. It's only 500 people. Well, 500 people is a lot, and I really don't want to dismiss the new 500 people that have joined us. And let's see, in the past, what's that? Basically 90 days. So here we are. So I moved, as you can see, I moved myself over here so you guys can see this. So this is what it is in the past year. So a year ago we had 5,000. So we've gotten 2,900 in the past year. And then last month was quick math, 720, 2.5, 250, and then the lifetime. Here we go. This is just kind of want to remind you, and I remind myself of it, how flat this stayed for so long, and then this nice little curve, and it's really kind of curved up. Oops. Kind of curved up in the past. We've had some really good days. So those of you who have just joined us in the past month or so, in the past few months, I just want to say thank you. And also, oh, that worked out perfect. I did not even mean for that to be this lined up. This was a very nice email that I received just a few days ago. This individual has been watching for 2 years. And that just blows me away as well, that they've been spending their precious time watching these videos. So that kind of culminated of just mutual appreciation. And I just never, ever, ever, ever want you guys to not know how much I appreciate your time and energy and support, and just everything from ideas to feedback to just cheering me on as we go through this journey together. So just wanted to take a second to say thank you, and we'll pick up with the videos for the rest of the week. We'll do some algorithm videos, but as always, guys, thank you so much. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.